Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you another way of installing WordPress. Today I will show you how to install WordPress on a shared server. To install WordPress on a shared server, you have to log into your control panel. Here I am logged in my control panel, and after logging into your control panel, go at the bottom. Here you can see scripts, and you can see WordPress logo in here. Click on that. It will open to this window. Here at the bottom you can see if there are any other installments already, and when you want to install a new WordPress, you have to click on install now. Here we have a window which shows the domain name, in which domain you are going to install WordPress, and the folder in which you are going to install WordPress. I am going to name the folder WP test. Here you can see the version of the WordPress which is going to be installed, the latest version. Next, go a little below, name your website. I am naming it WordPress test. Below that you can add a subheading or the site description. If you want to enable multi-site, you can check on this box, otherwise leave it. On the right side you have to name the admin username. Here it is already admin. I am leaving it as it is, just because this is for a test purpose. And in the password I am entering PASSWORD password, a weak password. Admin email, you can leave it like that. Language being English. Backups, if you want to automatically backup, you can check this box, otherwise leave it. If you want Classic Editor to be installed, Classic Editor is a plugin which is widely used in WordPress. If you want it to be installed, I want it to be installed, I am checking it. And below that you click on advanced options. Here you can see the table prefix name. You can change it as you want. I am leaving it like that. This is the database name and this is table prefix. On the left side you see the name of the database, and on the right side it's the table prefix. Below are some other settings like disable update notifications and all. You can leave it like that. If you want, you can choose a theme from here. I am not going to choose any theme. I will go with the installed one. So go below and click install. Before that you can check again. You are installing WordPress on wallahost.com/wp test folder, and let's click on install. It will take a little time, maybe a minute or two. It's quite fast actually. Well, WordPress is installed. Now we can check WordPress, like Just give the URL and press enter. URL will be the name of the folder and the domain name. Here you can see WordPress is installed on your shared server. If you want to go to the admin section, you just type wp-admin. Here is your admin panel. Username is admin and password is password. Click on login and you can enter into the WordPress console. It's loading. Here you can see it's the freshly installed WordPress on a shared server. If you want to change the default theme, you can go to themes and change the theme as per your requirement. By default, there are a few themes installed on WordPress console. You can remove this or you can use any other theme as you heard. To go to the actual site, you just click on view site on a new window. And here is your newly installed WordPress on shared server, and here is the control panel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.